Hello, welcome to the video. I thought today I'd do a quick show and tell of my two Terminator VHSs. I know there are a lot of VHS fans who are also Terminator and Schwarzenegger fans. There always seems to be a bit of confusion about what the original rental looks like compared to the original sell-through. So as I've got both tapes here, I thought I'd just do a quick video to show you the differences. So on the left we have the original UK Orion releases of the Terminator on rank video. The obvious difference on this one is that it comes in a rank videotape box. As you can see there, it's got the rank logo. I don't know what colour you'd call this. Is it green or gold? I don't really know. The spine, as with most rank releases at the time, is on this orange backdrop. And here's the rear. And the cassette. And a few years later, when sell-throughs became big on the market, the first Terminator release was by Virgin. As you can see, this has the Virgin logo here. Still carries the Orion logo, but there's no mention of rank video at all. And even though both videos are quite similar in appearance at the front, they're very different from the side. This also comes with an embossed box, this time with Virgin. And this is the cassette. And just to compare the two side by side. There you go. So just to clear up any confusion about the Terminator VHS in the UK, this is the first sell-through release. So sell-through being a tape that you would have bought in a shop on the high street, like Woolworths, HMV, R Price, and this is the original rental release. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.